Je voudrais savoir si vous pouvez réparer un écran de Blackview. Blackview.
Blackview.
Ouais, Blackview. Black.
Blackview की साइड है
Blackview, ouais, A20e. Ah, je l'ai pas. J'ai cassé l'écran, je veux savoir si vous pouvez le réparer. Donc, je vous l'emmène ou...
Vous pouvez ramener de...
Ouais, je vais vous le ramener. J'ai cassé l'écran pour savoir.
C'est pas grave, je peux.
D'accord, ok, merci.
It's everything is alright. And when we are for this sleep mode, we sleep. But when we are pressed, it's not back on. It's never come back again. But it's working. When we are charging, but it's charge sound is it's charging. I show you this charging. This it's 1 ampere, 1 point. Yeah, it's on. It's charging, but it's not display back on. So I have a simple solution for that. This is that. Because display flex cable is that. This is the USB connector. Is charging connector. Okay. Now is check again. Now is power on. Now is the new connector, charging connector, and we are try again. So okay, sleep mode, then press again, it's back. It's perfectly working. Now it's perfectly working. When you are change the power charging connector. Let's charge the charging connector to the charge. Charging also is perfectly working. So that means it's the connector the problem. So that means it's the connector problem. We should change the connector, or otherwise we can repair it, because I know how to repair it. So I show this how to repair. Actually, this is the problem, because it's the same issue. This is the A20e and A20, A30, A50, almost same all of this connector. This IC is this for this solving this power connection. There's some problem. This connector should be coming this there. So we are tracing this line. So you should trace. Okay. You should check first this line is voltage is coming or not.
Look this line.
Power connection. Always brightness is gone. When this is running the display, there is some, we can check this multimeter. This line is the, from this input is there, is output from there and going to motherboard. So we trace is there. There is voltage. So this voltage is nothing. There should be is 1.7. Yeah, 1.7 is like that. Yes, it's the 1.7. So it's good. Okay, there is the connection, but this connection is going, this connection to going that way. Is this from the same? I can jumper there from there is both of same side. Then jumper jump to this and number this side from 14, this side from 11. Number line is missing, so I will jumper it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 11. Nice. This line missing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Number 14 and 11. Okay, this is the line of the missing hour. This line should become from the bottom. Is this bottom actually